what am I supposed to do? Like, there's zero firmness. Hey guys, welcome to another video that you wish you didn't click on. Today is part 2 of finding the best lip gloss wand for our lips. I didn't realize there were so many types, so many sizes, so many curves. You're about to see these 5 new ones are, I mean, there's a few interesting ones and few that you would think are good, but then you're just like, okay, do better. Let's get to it. I'm not one of those people that saves best for last. I like to start with what I'm most interested in, which is why we're going in with the MAC Powerglass. This wand, I guarantee you have never seen a curve like this. There's so many curves, I don't even know which one to use to apply it. Like, I'm also kind of tempted to just put it in the middle of both lips because it looks like it would be a perfect fit. I feel like it's probably this side. Oh. Surprisingly, I really like that application. I thought it would be that noise. I thought it would be a little bit more tricky because of the wand, but I didn't even have to move it. Usually when I'm applying a lip gloss, I have to take the wand and twist it all around my lips in order to get enough product because I don't have time to dip it in again. So I just really get everything that's on there. But this one, I didn't even have to move it at all. That one part of the wand that was touching my lips, which was really only the base. On that base right there, you have enough product and more for your entire lips. Ooh, and I kind of feel it stinging. I kind of wish there was more pigment to it, but you know what? We're not judging the formulation, we're judging the wand. And size, just right. Curve, just right, even though I'm not judging based on curves. Even though, you know, curves are very popular nowadays, I should be adding that into my formula. Anyway, spreadability, awesome. Firmness, awesome. I see no complaints, and I think this one is one of my favorite ones so far, right with the Rare Beauty one. And ooh, yeah, with the Rare Beauty one, just that. I kind of don't want to take it off because I feel it's starting to spice up my lips and I want to see if they're going to get bigger. 5 hours later, no size difference. I'm about to start judging the formula too because I'm realizing that I don't want to take it off, and the more I look at it, there's no glitter, but it's still so shiny. Oh my goodness. Next up, we have Artist Couture. This wand is kind of similar to the Rare Beauty one since it has 2 holes on both sides. It's kind of at an angle, so I feel like it should be good, but I feel like it's thinner than my preferred thickness. But you know what? We're gonna give it a chance. The top comes to a point, which is awesome for precise application. I don't like it. The wand is so bendable. Look at that. Like, do you see how much is bending? It's like I really have to pull in order to apply the product. Like, what am I supposed to do? Like, there's zero firmness. I do not like. You would think like, oh, you know, they were probably trying to make it more gentle by making it so flexible, but all that does is make you want to push harder. And then what are you doing? You're not getting a precise application, which defeats the entire point of this super pointy tip. I'm kind of tempted to judge the color. I decided to step out of my comfort zone again, which if you saw my last video, I also stepped out of my comfort zone and got slapped in the face because I looked horrible, and here I am again, stepping out of my comfort zone and looking bad while I'm doing it. I mean, if I'm gonna step out of my comfort zone, I would at least rather be looking good. The size was nice. The spreadability was meh because the wand and firmness was meh. So I think this is one of the biggest duds so far. It looks pretty, but I feel like not pretty on this canvas, but hey, that doesn't mean that it's not going to be pretty on your canvas. That one had so much potential. I'm kind of sad that it didn't work out, but in situations like these, I always try and find the deeper lesson. Even when it's only makeup, I'm like, hey, just because something looks pretty on the outside and looks like it's going to be great to have in your life doesn't actually mean that it's going to be great to have in your life. Okay, next up, should we go with Fenty Glow or Kylie Jenner Super Glitter Gloss in Glitz? Fenty, okay. This one, the wand is thick. Even just while I'm undoing the top, you can hear how thick it is. Picks up a lot of product. This one I have had for a while now. You can see that I did use up a quarter of it. Wow. But what I always do is take off the excess because I feel even one dip is like too much product. Like it's so thick, it picks up so much. I'm just like, whoa, I don't have the lips for that. But anyway, I'm gonna try not to take any off just to see how it's gonna look. Ooh, that's thick. She's shiny. Oh my god. Whenever I film a video, it makes me realize how much I need to work out because I look myself in the mirror, I'm like, wow, when did I develop that? Oh boy. Moving on. Size was good. Spreadability was good. Firmness was good. I really see no problems other than so much product comes off that I find that I have to always wipe some off just because I don't want to end up with a gloopy gloppy mess, considering that my lips are normal size and I've said and 50 times, so that's when you know it's time to finish the sentence. Moving on. What I love about these videos is that my lips always get such a nice exfoliation. By the time I'm done wiping them, moisturizing them, they just feel like a baby's bottom. And fourth up, we have Kylie. This one is reminding me of the lip gloss ones that were popular back in like the early 2000s, like this brush format. Okay. Whoa. This is very metallic. And please don't judge my application because, you know, your girl is not very precise. Wow. This is the one that's better as a topper and not on bare lips, but it's the right amount of firmness and softness combination. It's spreadable, but it is a little bit small, which is why I had to swipe back and forth multiple times, which made me take a little longer. But I can't stop looking at myself. I feel like in this video, I'm just shocked by these lip glosses sometimes that I just keep staring at myself instead of the camera. So my apologies for not being used to my face even after having it for 25 years. When I see it in the mirror, I'm like, holy, what is that? Just me. And last and probably least, no, I think this one is going to be better than the Artist Couture one. This is the Iconic London. The wand of this one, you would think it's pretty simple. A lot of product comes off, but it's elongated and the tip is also, the curve isn't as sharp. It's more rounded, which I kind of feel like is nice for hugging your lips. We shall see. Again. Right away, like, do you see that? So a lot of product did come off, but I feel like because I'm having to tug so much because it's so flexible, like, I don't know if you see that. When I took out the wand, the product was like dripping, but when I went to apply it, it did not spread that well, so I'm gonna say not enough spreadability. Size, I want to like you seem like you have potential, but I would say it needs to be firmer and a touch bigger. And yeah. Let me know in the comments which one was your fave. I'm pretty sure that it was the lip gloss by MAC. Whew. I feel like that one just came and stole the show because everything I tried after that one was like, eh. Artist Couture, I like you. Except the Fenty one. I like the Fenty one. But the rest, I feel like we're just been there, done that. I need some more curves in my life is what I'm getting at. Anyway, I hope you guys liked my video. Like and subscribe.